Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore São Paulo. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions, at your own pace, for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome, let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. You'll need about 8 hours to enjoy this. Maybe you'd rather. São Paulo highlights. A full 9-hour day. Art checkout. An architectural walking tour. A short day exploring, as this will only take 4 hours. The next day plan is kid-friendly attractions. About 7 hours is ideal for this tour. Let's look at if you only have a day. A busy day spent exploring must-see attractions, including Central Zone of São Paulo, Altino Aranas Building, and Pátio do Colégio. The Central Zone is an administrative zone of the city of São Paulo, Brazil. And then Altino Aranas Building. Art Deco-style banking tower built between 1939 and 1949 under the order of the state governor. Next stop Pátio do Colégio. Site where São Paulo's original Jesuit mission was erected in 1554, with 1896 replica of its chapel. Move on to Marco Zero. Marco Zero is a geographic monument in downtown São Paulo. And then São Paulo Cathedral. Massive 20th-century cathedral with soaring Gothic-style architecture and a Renaissance-style dome. Then move to São Paulo Museum of Art. Iconic building housing one of Latin America's most important collections of renowned art. Then on to Paulista Avenue. Urban thoroughfare known for its cultural institutions, museums, shopping malls and banking centers. Let's look at São Paulo highlights. A day exploring the city's highlights, with a landmark art museum, skyscraper views and a busy market. Designed by Oscar Niemeyer, this expansive outdoor complex features sculptures and an art gallery. And then Bico do Batman. Narrow cobblestone alley covered in colorful graffiti, originating with a 1980s Batman drawing. Next stop Ibirapuera Park. Scenic park with museums, a planetarium, auditoriums and recreation areas with bike paths and courts. Then move to São Paulo Museum of Art. Iconic building housing one of Latin America's most important collections of renowned art. And then Altino Aranas Building. Art Deco-style banking tower built between 1939 and 1949 under the order of the state governor. Then on to Municipal Market of São Paulo. Historical building with stands selling rare fruit, vegetables and dairy produce, plus a food court. Let's look at an architectural walking tour. An architectural walking tour, with an iconic Niemeyer building, rebuilt mission and ornate theater. Next stop Edificio Italia. 46-story building completed in 1965 offering a restaurant and bar, plus a rooftop observation deck. And then Theatro Municipal. Built in 1911 in Renaissance and Baroque styles, this theater presents operas, concerts and ballet. Next stop, Martinelli Building. Brazil's first skyscraper, inaugurated in 1929 and known for its mansard roof and 26th-floor terrace. And then Altino Arana's building. Art Deco-style banking tower built between 1939 and 1949 under the order of the state governor. Next stop, Patio do Colégio. Site where São Paulo's original Jesuit mission was erected in 1554, with 1896 replica of its chapel. And then Museum Padre Anchieta. Museum displaying sacred art, historic maps of São Paulo and a diorama of the original settlement. Then on to Solar da Marquesa de Santos. Manor house displaying an evolution of architectural styles dating back to the 18th century. Let's look at kid-friendly attractions. A relaxed day for the whole family, with snakes and insects, a giant park and a science museum. Instituto Butantan is a Brazilian biologic research center located in Butanta, in the western part of the city of São Paulo, Brazil. Next stop, Ibirapuera Park. Scenic park with museums, a planetarium, auditoriums and recreation areas with bike paths and courts. Next stop, Professor Aristoteles Orsini Planetarium. Modern projectors replicate the stars in bright colors, with room for 300 visitors. And then Catavento Museum. Museum devoted to science, with a hands-on space aiming to provide social and educational experiences. The most popular travel time in São Paulo is December. The temperature ranges from 28 to 19 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. Gay Pride Parade is in May. Virada Cultural Festival is in May. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and for more help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.